Hi, I'm Tyeisha and welcome to Shonna's Space. So today is going to be a self-care day, and in this video I'm actually going to be showing you some of what I do for my skincare and how I moisturize my hair, that kind of thing. And it's actually going to have a do-it-yourself component, so that should be interesting. So come with me to my kitchen. Okay, so we're in my kitchen today, which is where I'll be whipping up these masks and toner and whatnot. So for the mask we're using turmeric. Yes, I'm using the root because I don't have any powdered turmeric here, and aloe. This aloe is going to be serving double purpose because I'll also be using it in my toner. So I have this container, I'm just going to pour it in. Also, excuse the mess on the counter, that's actually from the aloe. It can get very messy and I didn't put out newspaper as I was supposed to. So for my toner, I'm actually going to be using green tea along with aloe. So everyone that knows me knows that I love green tea, whether it be in skincare or just to drink. I love to get my green tea, use 2 tea bags, get some milk, some sugar, and that's it. But for this toner today, I'm just going to get a tea bag and I'm going to steep it for about 5 to 10 minutes so I can get the full potency. And then I'm going to mix it up with some aloe. Okay, so the tea bag is inside of the container. I'm just going to add hot water now. Not too much because still have to mix it with aloe, and aloe itself produces liquid, so I'm just going to leave this for 10 minutes and come back. Okay, I'm back. So this is the green tea here now, and I realized I added way too much water, so I'm actually going to throw off some of this and then I'm going to add my aloe, and then I have my toner. Okay, so we'll start with the face mask. I'm just using an old makeup, well, a makeup brush that I don't really use, and to apply it. And if you're not used to this kind of turmeric, I suggest you add an essential oil like peppermint or something like that, but not too much because it's going on your face and it can burn if you use peppermint oil or lavender or something like that you really like the scent of. The scent doesn't bother me, but people who have very sensitive noses or who don't like the scent of turmeric wouldn't really appreciate this. It's applied. I'm just going to leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'll rinse off. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. The mask has dried, so now I'm going to wash my face with soap, cleanse whatever you use to cleanse your face. I like to wash my face with simple soap, so I'm just going to cleanse my face and take a bath, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've showered, and while in the shower I exfoliated, and a big part of self-care is making sure that your hair is healthy. So I'm going to lift this bonnet and don't let what's under here scare you. And then I'm going to moisturize my hair. So it doesn't look that bad, but I haven't done anything with it for a couple of days and it's actually dry now. So I'm just going to spray some water, and then I'm going to go in with this Cream of Nature mango and shea butter. Yes, leave-in conditioner. I have a thing for shea butter. So let me come in close.
Okay.
I love the smell of this. I'm just making sure to get the moisturizer everywhere. Yes. And this may result in some loss of like definition or whatever, but definition is not everything. Moisture is. Okay, so I'm gonna follow up with this oil mix. It has in coconut oil, olive oil, clove oil. What else is in here? Oh, and peppermint oil. Oh, vitamin E. Forgot vitamin E. But I'm just gonna make sure I also get that in my roots, because my scalp gets really dry. So it's kind of giving your scalp a little massage, help to stimulate growth, all that stuff. Oh, with color here, that's actually very, very, very important. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it back up. And now my hair is moisturized. Okay, so toner time. I have the toner that I made, and I have a cotton round, and I'm just gonna dip it in this and put it on my face. Now, aloe can get a little slimy, so you might not necessarily like this. This is more so a toner for when you're going to be at home and not when you're going to be going out. So be careful, mindful of that. Or you could just skip the aloe altogether and just use green tea. Just use green tea instead of mixing it with aloe. Or even cut down the amount of aloe that you use if you have a problem with sliminess. So let's go in with another cotton pad and just like, you know, kind of like rub it in. Okay, so now it's time to moisturize. Like I said in the beginning, my moisturizer is not something I'm going to make right here on camera right now because I made it a couple weeks ago. It's almost time to get rid of this batch because it's shea butter and aloe. And because aloe basically, I guess, has like a water element to it, it can spoil. Like, you don't want to be putting something that has spoiled on your face because it would just, you know, break you out or whatever. So that wouldn't really make any sense. But yes, but mine is still good for now, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of that and put on. Okay, so our face is done and glowing and everything, and so since I've finished my face, it's time to cream. Time to moisturize that skin because it's not just your face, it's not just your hair, it's your whole body. So I have this body butter. It is chocolate scented. And so I'm just gonna make sure that those crusty elbows aren't looking so crusty anymore. So I'm basically gonna cream everywhere except for my feet. Well, when I say my feet, I'm talking about from the ankle down, because I'm actually going to be doing a foot soak right now. It's going to be with Epsom salts, apple cider vinegar, and hot water. So I don't know about y'all guys, but my feet have been looking rough, like very rough. So this is just a great time to take care of that roughness and make sure that your feet are in optimal condition. Okay, so I have one of these foot massager things, but I don't think the mechanical part of it works anymore. So I've already put in some hot water. I don't think you can see hot water and soap. So I'm just gonna add some salt and apple cider vinegar. Okay, so the Epsom salt is in. So I'm gonna do this for 20 minutes. Let the massaging things in here, just roll my foot on it and let that, you know, really remove the crust. And I'm sure you don't want to see my feet, so you'll see me when I'm finished this part. Okay, so now that we're finished soaking our feet for 20 minutes, you can, if you have a pumice stone or you have one of those, I don't remember what they're called, but it's almost like a grater for your feet, or even like one of those files, you can use that at this point to like take off some dead skin. After you've done that, rinse off. Or if you don't have one of those, just dry your feet and moisturize. Comment down below if it is that you enjoy these DIY skincare items. If you tried them, if you want to see more, just let me know. Just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.